Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be over an eye tutorial and it is going to be using this Too Faced chocolate gold palette. So I am super excited to share this with you and kind of give you my first impressions of how everything goes on. And so if you like this look and you want to see how I got this look for this eye look, just keep on watching. And also, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, hit that subscribe button before you leave. Don't forget to do that, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this eye tutorial, kind of first impression of what I think about this eyeshadow palette for the first time. Just trying to see how it goes. And I did go ahead, I put my foundation on, I primed foundation. I used the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation, and I remember why I don't ever use it, because it's very drying to my skin for some reason. I don't know. But I just went ahead with that. I did put on some bronzer, and I'll just list everything down below what I have on my face today. So, and of course here's the packaging, just like so. And this is the palette itself. Look at that packaging, isn't it pretty? I really like that. These are the shades right here. So yeah, I'm nothing planned, just gonna go with this and see how it turns out. Okay, so they have this shade called Rolling in Dough, which is this lighter shade here. I'm going to use that just to kind of put on as a base shadow. Just put that all over the lid. And I have already done my eyebrows. So, just like that. And I promised myself this year I am not going to be buying a ton of eyeshadow. Like every eyeshadow palette that comes out, I want to be a little more picky about the products that I purchase. Something's going to really have to stand out for me to get. And I'm not a big YouTuber. Trying to keep up with the Joneses, it's just, you can do that, but it's just like, why, So I feel like I have such a variety of makeup. So I thought, as the makeup comes out, I'll be, choicey in what I'm purchasing. And like I said, it's going to have to really jump out at me. I'm really going to have to fall in love with it. And if it is something that I want, then I'll get it and I'll do a review for you. Of course, if there's something out there that my viewers are wanting me to, do a first impression of, or do a get ready with me or something like that, and you let me know, by all means, I'll try to do that for you. But it's a new year, and I'm just going to be a little bit choicier, or what is that word? Choosier, pickier? Yeah, so I'm not going to just run out and buy every single eyeshadow product. Now I'm going to go in with this, it's called So Bougie right here. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. So Bougie. Yeah, I put that Tarte of the Rainforest foundation on, and it was just not happening. And I'm like, well, it wasn't as bad as the peach foundation, that peach collection. That was super drying. I was able to, get this on and everything. It's just, you can really see my lines, my fine lines and pores and everything when you get really up close. So I'm not too thrilled with the way that came out. So I'm just going to put this in my crease. Even a little bit more. And of course, if you see my dry patches, just don't look at that. Just kind of avoid it. So I don't know if I want to go with something really, I'm wearing kind of this peach sweater, but I kind of want to do a bold gold look with this. So, has such really pretty colors, but I also like this money bags, this green shade. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Love and Cocoa is really a gorgeous color too. This is Love and Cocoa. I mean, look at these. They're so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to go with, I think, Love and Cocoa. And I'm just going to, it's a shimmer shade, but I'm going to put this in my outer corner. Let's just see what it does. Let's just play with it. And this smells just like, you know, the regular chocolate Toofaced palettes. Just kind of deepening it up a little bit. I am going to go a little bit darker though. And they have this one, it's called Cocoa Truffle. And that is a matte shade, so I'm going to go with that and see what it does. I just want a little bit deeper color. I'm so terrible too about reaching for my Too Faced palettes, my chocolate bar palettes. It's just like I hardly ever reach for them anymore. Like when I first got them, you know, I used them, but it was like, I don't know. It's because that's what happens when you have a YouTube channel and you buy all these products, and then you have so much because you're trying to review everything, you know, for your channel. It's like you just kind of move on. You go to the next palette and you go to the next palette, and it just, yeah. So I think what I'm going to do is they have Famous or they have Gold Dipped, which this is Famous right here. And then they have this one that's lighter. It's Gold Dipped. And I'm actually going to use my finger. I'm going to go in with the Gold Dipped. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to put this right here. Holy smokes, Batman. That is just, whew, gorgeous. I'll make sure I'm in the camera so you can see what I'm doing. And of course, I'm going to blend that outer corner. Wow, this is so gold. It's not chunky or anything like that. It's just, it's like kapow gold. Really pretty. So let me go back over this. I'm just kind of blend it all in. Don't have any of that harsh lines. So I'm going to add some more of this So Bougie above my crease. Just kind of blend it all in. And this is like the first Get Ready With Me this year, and I tell you, I'm just like out of practice here. It's like one side always looks darker than the other side. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me, if I'm heavy-handed, you know, on one side than I am the other. I don't know. Do you get like that? Just let me know. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in a little bit deeper in that outer V. I'm going to go in with this decadent, this black color. Yeah. I mean, just a tad. Just to deepen it up. I don't want a lot. Just to darken it up a little bit. And today we're having snow. This is going to be the 3rd time that we've had snow here in my area within like the past month or so. I mean, that's like a record. We just don't normally have that. Not in Southeast Texas. No. That just doesn't happen at all. So I'm going to go in with this chocolate gold. That's like a little bit brighter gold. I'm just going to kind of put that right here. I need to do this in the viewfinder. I'm like looking down. Super gold. I mean, this is like, wow, gold. Then I'm going to go back in with this rolling in the dough, and I'm going to use that like right under the brow bone. See what that does. I don't like having to get another palette out. I want to like a palette that just can do the whole eye look. I'm definitely going to go in with this like in the corner, which is the gold dipped. You can see that. It's always so hard to know how it's reading across the camera. Okay, so now I'm going to go with a pencil brush, and I'm going to use this Cocoa Truffle on the bottom here. So I'm going to put my mascara on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done my mascara. I didn't put any eyeliner on. You know, I'm not big on eyeliner, but I think this year I might start trying eyeliners. I think I'm going to start getting some different ones. I know my friend Alexandria, she really likes the Marc Jacobs, and I've seen some reviews on like the Smashbox ones and Urban Decay, so I think I'm going to start incorporating some more eyeliners. If you definitely want to see me with more of an eyeliner look, then let me know down below. I'm going to go ahead and put on, since I didn't put any, I'm using of course, my glow kit, and I'm going to put on some highlighter. This stuff is so pretty, and I'm just using my viewfinder. Ooh. And then I'll do my lips. I shouldn't think you'd want to see me doing my mascara. It's like, you know, once you've seen that, like, ugh. Okay, and I'm not going to use like a lip liner, or, you know, like, I'm going to use this, well, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs. It's a lip gloss, and it's Sugar Sugar. I just wanted something kind of nude. And I love these lip glosses. They came in a set, and they're minty. Oops. Got a little goop there. I just love the way this looks. I hope you can really see the eyeshadow, because I can see it, and it's very bold looking, but I just don't know if it's coming off bold looking on the camera, so I'm not really sure. Okay, so I think that's really pretty. Now I'm going to use this FX Illuminating Setting Spray just all over my face. And it's just the finest mist. Love this stuff. And I'm going to spruce up just a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, so thanks so much for joining me today. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye tutorial that I put together for you. And yeah, I hope that you like the way this came out. I kind of like this. I really do. For some reason, it just, to me, in the viewfinder, I don't see it. If you can see the detail, and if you can see the color in the gorgeousness of the gold and all of that, just let me know down below. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Leave me some comments. Let me know how everybody's doing. I know it's been a little while since I've done a get ready with me or like an eye tutorial or anything like that. So I really, really hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit me up on social media. I have all my links down below where you can hit me up, like on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter. So yeah, so I'm so glad, thankful for you joining in today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.